Hello, today I will talk about Xifra Realtor. Xifra Realtor Invest paints itself as a pioneer in real estate investing, leveraging cutting-edge AI technology to identify profitable properties and automate the investment process. They claim to offer lucrative returns with minimal risk, luring in hopeful investors with visions of effortless fortune. The catch? It all seems too good to be true. Is Xifra Realtor legit or a scam? Xifra Realtor is not a legitimate broker. While their website boasts of revolutionary AI and market disruption, a closer look reveals a facade riddled with inconsistencies, shady practices, and an alarming lack of transparency. Before trusting your hard-earned capital to this supposed investment haven, take a deep dive into the murky depths of Xifra Realtor Invest and arm yourself with the knowledge to avoid a potential financial shipwreck. We will show more details in further sections. Read our Xifra Realtor Scam Broker review for more details. You will get the link in this video description. Red flags and warning signs. Regardless of the leadership group responsible for this questionable behavior, multiple regulatory financial bodies have unmistakably exposed them. Evidence contradicts the website's assertion that their investment company, Xifra Realtor Invest, was founded in Chile in 2014. If bad things happen, where can you get the quick solution? You can contact us through the form on our website. You will get a free consultation and service recommendations to get help in recovering the lost fund. Contact us at brokercomplainalert.com.